Good morning, guys. I am headed to the BMV today. I have to go get my driver's license renewed and it's expired. And we moved from Illinois, so I have to take the written exam again. I've been studying and I took the practice tests, but the kids were still asleep, so I left him home with Josh because he's home this morning. And I'm gonna go do this and wish me luck because I really need to get my license updated. It's been expired for a long time, sorry. And yeah, so let's just go do that. So I'm gonna take one of these practice tests again before I go in. I took several of them last night and passed them all, so I'm gonna take one, get my head in the game, and then go in. Okay, so I passed. This is my temporary license until I get my new one. So I got all that taken care of. That is done. I'm gonna run into Target really quick and just grab a couple more like school supply type items that I need to get for Addison. I just want to have that done because literally, like, if all goes well and we close on Monday, we're gonna get the house painted and cleaned, and then so that's like the 15th through the 20th, and then moving that following week, and then the week after that it'll be Addie's open house and school will be starting. So I want to get some of this stuff just out of the way ahead of time, and so I'm gonna go into Target and we'll check out what their back to school stuff is, and I have a couple other things I need to get, so let's go.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance.
Grab some of these for Jack. So number cards and colors and shapes, because I want to start working with him on this stuff at home, so he's not going to go to preschool until later. Some more stuff for Jack. Buy more baby clothes. So cute. That'll be my next thing too, you guys. I need a rocking chair. I really want a rocking chair. Would love something like that, but I just don't know. We're gonna have to move first. They have baby clearance. Let's go look. A bobby pillow. Oh my gosh. Oh, how precious. It's got llamas on it. I am going to disposable diaper her for the first little bit of time, just because when they're newborns, it's extremely hard, in my opinion, to cloth diaper. So I'm gonna diaper her in disposables. This is, try these Cloud Island diapers. I've been seeing everywhere.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
Okay, so I just finished at Target, and now I'm picking up salads for my husband and I from Texas Roadhouse, because they opened a location out by where we live now, so it's really convenient. So I'm gonna get lunches for everyone and then go home and then entertain the kids for the afternoon and just kind of like dedicate the afternoon towards them, because the last couple days I've been really busy and working and just so much going on. So I don't know if I'm gonna take them to the lake or to the pool, probably one of those two things, because it's so warm, and if I keep them cooped up, then they go crazy.
We have iPads we could play games on,
Oh,
and I'm super excited for
I'm
that.
sure they'll be educational. We got our salads. You don't want the butter? Well, you don't have to eat it. Bread and butter. Addie loves the butter from Texas Roadhouse.
I love the steak too.
She wants the steak.
Mommy.
Grilled chicken salad.
Mommy, I want that.
You want a bread? Honey, they're right here. Pick out one. Or let your sister do it for you. And here's the sexy mister. Hi.
What's up?
Yes. Okay guys, so I'm just going to show you some of the stuff I picked up at Target today. Because who doesn't love a nice Target run? Especially Josh, he loves when I go on Target runs. Anyway, I got, finishing up Addie's school shopping, so I needed to get some more of these like pre-sharpened pencils. Band-Aids, big thing of hand sanitizer, and then these Kleenex antiviral tissues, which I thought were cool. So I got those. I got each of the kids a new water bottle, and I love these because they keep like the water cold. She has another one of these, and they're a little pricier, but they last a long time. So I got her and Jack one. I picked up some more diapers, and I didn't mean to get the newborn size. I meant to get a 1, so I might have to exchange those. And then I got Jack some stuff because we're gonna do some home preschooling for the fall. And most of this stuff came from the dollar spot, actually, which I thought was really cool. These are alphabet magnets. So he's been singing the alphabet song a lot lately, and I thought this would be good for him. And then we got our colors and shapes cards, numbers cards, and this is for him and Addie to play with. They like tic-tac-toe. These are like little clings. And then a lesson planner notebook, so that this would just help me. You guys know I like to plan, so I figured this would help me stay on track with his stuff. And then this Firehouse wipe clean stuff. And then I just picked up some random things that we needed. Shampoo and body wash, Q-tips. I thought these were cool. Some gel polish remover foils, and as you can see, my nails are terrible. So I thought maybe this would help me pull the rest of it off. And just some, that's for Jack. These are some things for my hospital bag. Hair stuff, feminine wipes, body wash, shaving cream. Then I did get some grocery things. I got some bread, some honey, syrup. These for the kids, cold brew coffee, and see how I like it.